Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change or remove the Apple Watch band. You can use your fingernail for this, but I'm just using a spoon. A spoon. Just press the button with the tip and slide the band off. Now use the other hand to help push with your second finger. There, and pull it out. See these buttons? You need to press them to remove it. And to put it back on, just reverse the process. It's pretty simple. Just slide it into this slot. There are two of them here. So take it and insert it like this. There. And press down. There. Same thing on the other side. It's a bit tricky with one hand. So insert it the same way and press firmly. That's all folks. See you later.